In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Part 1. I. Meanings and use. Number 1 phrasal verb is cut in, meaning interrupt, join in suddenly, come in front of somebody or something. Sentences. He cut in when I was talking to my friend. You are not allowed to cut in for questioning. We slowed down our vehicles when his car cut in on that single road. Number 2. Come across, meaning to give impression, find by chance. Sentences. He came across as a good speaker with his welcome speech. I came across a beautiful bird when I was hiking in the jungle. Number 3. Come by, meaning get by chance, come near. Sentences. You can come by rare old things in these mountains. They just came by to see our house. Number 4. Cheer on, meaning support, root for. Sentences. They continuously cheered on our team and we won. He cheered on the cause to get freedom. Number 5. Cheer up, meaning make happy or be happy. Sentences. Just cheer up, victory is yours. He cheered us up by telling us good jokes. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.